Welcome to Tech Leveller. I'm Lee, and I'm going to show you how to count non-empty cells in Google Sheets. So I'm going to show you two different methods how to do this, and you can choose which one you prefer. So first, we want to count how many empty cells are in this top 10 here. So let's select this cell here, press the equals key, and then type counter. Press tab to select it. Now we need two bits of information, but for our case we only need one. So let's select all this range here, 1 to 10, where we want to count the non-empty cells. Then close the brackets and press enter. So now we can see we have a number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 non-empty cells. If you add another number, it will count even a letter. And as you take anything away, it will count like that. Now the second method is again press the equals key. This time, count if. Press the tab to select it or click it. Now we need the range, again 1 to 10 in this case. Then add a comma, then open quotation, less than, then greater than, close quotation, close bracket, then enter. Again we get 6. Again this will auto update as we enter numbers in the empty cells. So that's two different ways how to count non-empty cells in Google Sheets. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.